this video, you will be shown how to install and assemble the McCain wall system. Before you begin, please look over all the literature that McCain has provided. Recommended tools are a level, chalk liner laser level, measuring tape, impact driver with a 5/16 bit, a 12-inch miter saw with a non-ferrous blade, tin shears, and a ladder. Once walls are delivered, carts are very useful for getting the product to the location where it will be assembled. And laying them out according to color is recommended to become familiar with each individual piece. Now that you've sorted the parts by color, review your drawing, establish your boundaries, clean up the area, and you're ready to start laying out your wall. Now that your work area is clean, go ahead and establish the overall dimensions and snap your lines accordingly. McCain walls are built from the bottom up. Locate the bottom rails and place them along the line. If the wall has a corner, we recommend that you start here. If not, start at the wall and work your way out. You will be provided two types of hardware. On the left is a basic sheet metal screw, used where there is already a hole. On the right is a tech screw. This will drill its own hole as needed. The next step is to install a mounting bracket. The anchor mounts are fastened to the bottom rail using the screws provided. We are now applying tape to temporarily hold the anchor mounts in place until we are 100% sure we have the wall where we want it. Later we'll come back and install permanent anchors. If your system has a door, install the threshold following the bottom rail. After the threshold is in place, continue adding the bottom rail following the line. Now that you have your bottom rails in place, locate the starter panel and place it in the track and anchor. The two holes in the slot, if stood up correctly, would represent a smiley face. This always indicates the bottom. Simply place the panel in the track, slide it over, and screw in place. If your system has a corner, locate the panel, place it in the track, and secure it in place. If your McCain wall comes with a door, locate your assemblies, right side, left side, and center panels. Continue to install the remainder of the wall panels until complete. Now you are ready to install the top rails. Again, we are starting with the corner and working our way left and right. Place the top rail over the walls and fasten using the screws provided. Using the 12-inch miter saw, rails, both top and bottom, can easily be cut to length. Additional reinforcements are often needed to secure the wall. Here we are using a standard steel stud and a bracing bracket to stiffen the wall and add strength. Locate the door frame, install, and secure in place. T-brackets are provided to help reinforce the door header. These are installed above the door. Next, apply the door gasket, cut the length, and hang the door. When hanging the door, we recommend two people. The door must be at 90 degrees for it to be properly mounted on the hinges. This concludes the installation of a McCain wall system. Please feel free to contact us if you have any further questions.